on I-670 East.
You did say Columbus Crew Stadium, right?
Not in there. Guys, we're getting a ticket to get in our car show. It's right here. Good guys. They are riding. We walk too far. Some people right there.
Sorry, get up.
$28 to get in this place. It's adults.
Have a good day.
He'll be right there.
It's like the birds. I like those. I like the flowers. Big birds. Welcome. Good guys. Hi guys. We are going to the car show. It's cars and cars and cars. Since I met my husband, I see a lot of cars. How many cars I'm gonna choose? Guys, I saw the first car. Here, it's look like I need to pay attention on this one. So okay, I'm gonna take a video. This car is for racing and has a colorful body paint and it's made on 1974 Camaro. Right there. Look at those inside. And made in 1974 Chevy. Street performance. And look at the engine. It's look cool. Oh, hot rod. It's look nice. Car show is a lot mixed car, like made in Ford, Chevy, and whatever. I need to find my husband. Where is he now? Oh, I lost my husband. Woo. I wanna take a video on this car because it look cool. Wow, this is clean. This looks nice. I'm gonna find out what year it is. Hi. Sorry. Year 1989 Chevy Nova. Right there. Guys, today I'm gonna find 10 tops of the Hati cars around here. I need to find my husband again. I lost him. I found another car. Oh no, a truck that is low profile. I'm gonna show you. This car is Eastin. It's right there. Eastin is low profile. How they gonna drive this one? It's too low. Right here. Right there. Gonna find out in what year. Look at the tires. The chrome. It's look cool. This car is 1967. C10. It's right there. Oh, there's car parking. Want to park beside me? Look at those. This look nice inside. Oh, the back. Oh, that's scary. Chevy. Eastin. The Nova is morning. Guys, there's another car. It's a hot rod. So I'm gonna take a video on it. So this car is mid 1970. Wow, it's very low. So this is the Hati car. This is the whole body and the interior look inside the car and the seats and those things is look at those in the front. The engine is so pretty. I hope I have this car. This look nice. 1970. That is cool. Push the kids. It's right there. It's a car. Guys, I found my husband, but he's collecting the stickers. That he said that he's gonna collecting the stickers. Guys, this car is 1967 Camaro. This is the whole body. And I'm gonna show you the tires. Look at the tires, it's pretty. Right there. Right there. And the interior is look cool. Right there. And 1967 Camaro. The engine is right there. This looks so nice.
No, I don't want your big box of porn.
This car is made in 1967 Camaro. And this is the body. Look at the wheels. So pretty. The engine is right here. It's camera. Guys, this car is too little for me, but my husband comes. This is my car! I cannot fit in this car. It's too little. 1969 Austin Mini. It's too little. You see that they drive this in the France. I don't know. Free stuff. Just sign up. Right there. It's cool. Guys, there is two cars. Look like too hot. I'm gonna show you. It's right here, and I'm gonna see this Corvette. 23, the newest one. Wow. 2023 Corvette. 2023 Corvette.
Still one of those? Of course, there's a couple.
This is nice car. And I can see inside. Guys, Camaro 1970. It's look hot. My husband is like it. Because this car is a customized. It's a Buick. In mid 1960. It's Buick. Low profile. Look at the body. It's look neat. It's look clean. Whole body is right here. Inside, interior, and the steering wheels. And the engine is look so clean. I like this because it's too clean. It's not a lot of wherever. Okay guys, I'm going to the next one. Guys, there's another Corvette. I'm gonna find out what year. 1957 Corvette. Look at the body. Look at the wheels. Tires. The engine. It's so clean. And the hood. And the front. Just look like bumblebee. It's color yellow. Streets. This is yours? Ah, okay. It's interior. The back.
Well, they got ideally like on a 7-inch wheel. Typically, a 7-inch wheel would have 3.5
And behind the hood,
but on the new
it's right here. This is nice. Guys, I'm here. I'm gonna keep looking for my husband. I lost my husband again. Oh boy. Firebird GTO 1976. This is the engine. It's color black and red. And the hood. And the interior. This look cool. Guys, there's a Corvette convertible. Didn't say anything what year. This is the body. Corvette. This is the hot rod. Hot rod. Trans Am. We have this at home convertible like this. Convertible. This is the hot rod. Firebird. Truck sitting. It's Chevy. It's so clean. Look at the bed. It's right here. It's very clean. And the back. I like it.
I don't blame you, girl. I don't blame you. You avoid it.
Like that. The engine is right there. The tires. Corvette, Bumblebee. I love this one. It's a hot rod. Look at that. It's so pretty. Stingray. Stingray. What is that? A7? 2007? It's a Bumblebee. I hope I have one of this one. I love it. It's a Bumblebee. Look at that. Oh wow, this is cool car. Corvette Coupe. This is the hot rod. It's another Corvette color white. The 2015. This is cool. Love it. Hi, this is your car?
It is my car.
Wow, I love it.
Thanks. Are you gonna buy one?
I can't afford it. I'm gonna ask my husband someday.
Yeah, one day it scam calls. Yeah, this is a fun car to have. It really is.
Uh-huh.
And it's not.
2021?
21. Yeah.
Oh.
21. And the 20s, the 21s, the 22s, they're all the same.
Ah, okay.
You can't tell the difference.
So there's another one, 2023 is the new one.
It's the same.
Oh, it's the same thing?
Exactly.
Oh, really? So I'd
Yeah.
rather buy a 2001.
If you bought a 20 or 21, you'd have the exact same car.
Oh? Okay. So it's gonna be expensive. It's 300,000?
100.
100?
Yeah, you can get these for 70,
70?
80.
Oh, wow.
This one, I'm not selling it, but it'd be 120 for this one.
Oh, wow. When you bought it?
Yeah.
Oh, 120. Wow.
I checked all the boxes. I got everything. Loaded.
Oh, wow.
All the options.
It's good for retirement car. I can't
That's what I
afford.
was thinking.
Yeah.
White color of the interior.
And I'm not, that is rare. There's people walk up to that, I watch them, they go, I seen that. Then I seen other people, like myself, I'm like, whoa, that's a nice color combination.
Yeah.
Many people choose it. It's just different. I mean, it's
Corvette. It's another Corvette. It's a hot rod. There's a wing spoiler. Camaro car. Side.
And the owner is Tim Meyer. Ron Jones Garage coming out of Louisville, Colorado.
Either way,
Walk through back there trying to get all the
This is Camaro again? Camaro. What is this? Firebird? What is this? 74? Firebird? What? What is this? It's a Challenger? Challenger, that's. Oh boy. Okay, I got wrong, but I got right. Boy, Buick car. Do you know what year?
70 or 71.
71. Inside.
Looking good, man.
Jeez. The engine. Yeah. This is camera. Look at the engine. There's a turbo on it. Where is it going? Shut that.
Oh, slow down a little bit. Get rowdy.
1970 Chevy Camaro. Chevelle 1970. The engine.
Attention Dennis Steinmetz. Dennis Steinmetz, please report your vehicle.
Let's look cool. This is 454 Chevelle. This look brand new. It's look brand new. Yeah, I like it. It's Daytona car. Charger. It's not even. '98 Chevy truck. Guys, I messed up. Instead of, I thought that Camaro, but it's Challenger. That's Challenger. But, ah well. See you next my video.